What if I told you that in the next few minutes, you could turn a trading idea into a fully working bot without coding a single line? In this video, we're building a real strategy together inside AlgoBuilder, step by step. This is one of the first strategies new traders learn, the moving average crossover. But we're going to make it smarter by combining it with a higher timeframe trend filter. On the daily chart, we'll check where the price is in relation to the 200-day moving average. If the price is above it, we're in a long-term uptrend, so we only look for buy trades. If it's below the 200 MA, we're in a downtrend, so we only take sells. This keeps our trades aligned with the bigger picture. Then on the 1-hour chart, we'll wait for a classic moving average crossover. If the short MA crosses above the long MA, that's a buy signal. If it crosses below, that's a sell. This gives us precise entry points right when momentum shifts. We'll keep risk smart and simple. Our stop loss will be 2 times the ATR, and our take profit will be 4 times ATR. That's a 2-to-1 reward to risk ratio, which helps long-term profitability, and will risk exactly 2% of our current balance per trade. This keeps our exposure consistent, even as our account grows. Now here's the cool part. We just described this strategy to AlgoBuilder's AI. Step by step, in plain English, it builds the full trading logic for us, including all the blocks and conditions. And once the strategy is built, we can fine-tune every parameter. The moving average periods, timeframes, SL and TP multipliers, and even the risk settings, all directly from MetaTrader 5's settings panel. So whether you're conservative or aggressive, the bot adapts to your style. The full prompt we used inside AlgoBuilder is on the screen now, and it's also in the description of this video. Now moving forward, once we're happy with how your strategy looks like, we just click Export MQL5. And the bot is ready to be used in MetaTrader 5 right away. No coding, no delays, just click, download, and trade. This is what modern trading looks like. And with AlgoBuilder, it's finally accessible. One prompt, one platform, full automation. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, check out our other videos where we show you how to prompt more advanced strategies, backtest your bot, and deploy it live in MetaTrader 5. We're building a full library to help you go from idea to execution to results. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.